Today's a big day. Headed up to the cabin. These guys are helping us get the appliances up there. Everything is going to go perfectly.
I think that they're trying to get it to shovel the snow, but literally they can't even get it up. I don't know how this is gonna happen. I really don't. Putting the unique hardware, this, I think they call it brushed bronze hardware on the appliances because it makes it just look so interesting and different. I think we're gonna swap out this for black so that the brasses don't clash.
The snow situation is that this is the most snow I've ever seen in Idaho in my life, and I've lived here since I was 5. And yeah, it's tricky up here at the cabin particularly. There's like 5 or 6 feet of snow.